Now we will have a look at another category of questions. In how many ways can I distribute 5 different balls in 3 different boxes such that no box remains empty and each box can hold all the balls? The important thing to note here is that 1. No box should remain empty, and 2. That each box is big enough to hold as many balls as it likes. Again, the solution to this problem is not trivial. We need to make cases as the number of balls each box can hold is variable. One case would be that a box holds 3 balls while the other 2 hold 1 ball each. Another case would be 2 boxes have 2 balls each and 1 box has 1 ball. Please see for yourself that there is no other case possible. Let's have a look at the number of arrangements possible for the first case. One possible option would be that box 1 has 3 balls while box 2 and box 3 have 1 ball each. Let's find the number of possible arrangements in such a case. We can select 3 out of 5 balls in 5C3 ways. Then we are left with 2 balls out of which we can select 1 in 2C1 ways, and finally we can select 1 ball in 1C1 ways. But there are other cases where we can have box 2 containing 3 balls and box 1 and 3 containing 1 ball, or box 3 containing 3 balls and boxes 1 and 2 with 1 ball each, and so on. Number of such cases can be found by the formula we saw earlier for arranging n objects out of which p are alike, q are alike, r are alike. Here our job is to arrange the numbers 3, 1 and 1. We have 3 objects of which 2 are alike. Hence number of permutations is 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So total cases would be 5C3 multiplied by 2C1 multiplied by 1C1 multiplied by 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Let's move to the second case of 2 boxes having 2 balls each and 1 box with 1 ball. The cases this time would be 5C2 multiplied by 3C2 multiplied by 1C1 multiplied by number of ways I can arrange 2, 2 and 1. Let that be denoted by x factorial divided by y factorial. And this time you will fill out the values of x and y for me. Are the values x equals 1, y equals 1? Or is it x equals 3, y equals 1? Or is it x equals 3, y equals 2? Or is it x equals 2, y equals 1?